Hi guys, welcome to Bucky's Touch. As you can see, I have some already cooked yuca or cassava. So all I need to do now is remove the root that is normally at the center. This thing here, it doesn't taste good. So it's better you remove it, and so stay tuned. So I had squeezed a little bit of the lemon juice in the minced garlic, and I have my onions chopped up small, and this is the star of the show. So far all the roots have been removed. Welcome to our channel Bucky's Touch, where we share all our DIYs, and I am Bucky. I'm using olive oil to saute my garlic and onions, and I have my stove on medium heat. I mean, you don't want to burn your garlic and onions. So this is my minced garlic with a bit of a lemon juice in it. And we're gonna add it. Please make sure it doesn't burn, but it all depends how you want it to taste. We're now gonna add our onions and also a little black pepper, and then we saute it. Don't let the onions and the garlic brown, but if you want it to brown, well, that's up to you, but I don't want it to. I really enjoyed the yuca mojo that I ate at a birthday party, and I thought, let me just try this recipe and see what happens. So yeah. To my wonderful subscribers, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos, and if you are new on my channel, please subscribe, like, and share my video. So it's now time for us to flavor this cooked yuca, and we're just gonna pour right on top all the oil and all that loveliness from the frying pan. There you go, guys. My yuca mojo is ready. By the way, when I boiled the cassava, I boiled it with salt. This tastes so delicious. I ain't lying. Thank you so much for watching, and please subscribe, hit the notification bell for more videos, like and share. Goodbye.